Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Today's video I will be showing you guys on how to make this beautiful braided headband. It is very easy to make. It has elastic at the back so that it can fit any head size. So if this is what you would love to learn how to make, sit back, relax and enjoy the tutorial. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please click the red button down below to subscribe and also click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. So without further ado, let's move right to the tutorial. I mixed two fabrics together for this headband. I used doll face and brocade. Please note, you can use any fabric of your choice. You can use African print, you can use Mikado fabric, you can use satin, you can use duchess, you can use doll face, you can use any fabric of your choice. You can also decide not to mix yours. It will still be beautiful. I measured the width 6 inches. 6 inches width, length 28 inches. Six inches width, length 28 inches. So I'm going to cut this measurement out in 3 places. After cutting, I'm going to place right side facing each other. I'll fold it into 2. After folding, it will be 3 inches. So I'm going to place right side facing each other. I will take to my sewing machine. I will stitch it down and turn it inside out. I'll stitch it down with 1/2 inch and turn it inside out. For the elastic casing, I measured 10 inches for the length, then the width 4 inches. 10 inches for the length, the width 4 inches. I'll fold it into 2, sew it and turn it inside out as well. The width of the elastic that I use is 1 inch. Then I cut out length 4 inches. I've sewn it. Next is to turn it inside out. You'll be needing fiber for this project. You can buy the fiber from any sawmill near you, or you will tell your carpenter to buy it for you. I've sewn it and I've turned it inside out, as you can see. After that, make sure that the seam line is at the middle. After that, take to your ironing table and give it a good press. After ironing, you will stuff the fiber inside the loop. You stuff it in, not too tight, not too full. You repeat the same process on all the 3 fabrics. Next, you take to your sewing machine. You will place them on top of each other like so, then stitch it down. After stitching it down, you will braid it. When you get to the other end, you will stitch it down same way you stitch the other side as well. If you don't want your headband to be as big as mine, don't use the width 6 inches that I use. You can reduce yours to 5 inches or 4.5 inches or even 5.5 inches, but don't go below 4.5 inches. This is how it looks after braiding. Next, the 10 inches loop that we sew, you will pass your elastic through it. Make sure that the seam line of the elastic is facing up. Place it at the middle. Just watch how she's sewing it. Then use the band to cover the elastic side by side and stitch it down. After that, overlock the edge. Repeat the same thing on the other side. This is the final look, guys. We've come to the end of today's tutorial. So with the help of the elastic at the back, it can fit any head size. We've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you've not done so. I upload weekly tutorial on my channel. Also remember to click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Until I come your way next, please stay safe and remain blessed. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Bye for now.